Hi, my name is Rodney Charters ASC. We wanted to shoot a short film testing out the whole range of LED lights from NANLUX and showing how they can be used in a variety of different situations on high-end or even feature film production. We're going to be lighting a scene, a family getting ready to eat together in a happy environment, and we're going to show you how we did this.
I said 10, 20 ago. Come on.
Any script that you're working with will have interiors in a home. We made an attempt to move through several rooms. So this is a walk and talk, basically. Traditionally, in a scene like this, in a house like that, you'd always start with big lamps outside, helping to augment what might be daylight, but in this particular instance, I think it was a moody, overcast day, which was great. And what's fantastic about NANLUX now is they have a 2400, and the 1200 with the Fresnel really punches above its weight and does all of sun making. I can deploy them around all the windows, and we can diffuse them if we feel it's more north light, or if it's supposed to be sun, we leave them hard. You can change color temp up to 20,000, you make them cool, you go down to 2700 and they're quite warm, because you normally, like this lamp is pushing in from outside, it's a 1200 and it's giving me a nice hair light and a rim. And if I was reading something, it kicked back, and you can sort of see that happening in my face. Amazingly, the 2400B, which replaces an ARRI 4K HMI, can plug in the wall, so just bordering on 20 amps. Anywhere in the world you can run that lamp off the house. We're moving through the whole house. We're not really going to have any lamps that are on eye level, except practicals. We've replaced all the practicals with our own so that we can control color temperature and intensity. NANLITE makes a set that you can replace. They're LED based. And again, they have a full color gamut. You can dim them, of course, but they make a magic moment when you see the warmth inside the fixture and you say, okay, yeah, that's doing that kind of job. I personally like the difference between a cool exterior and the warm tungsten that you would normally have in a house. And I think people like the old tungsten color temperature. Normally in a situation like this, you may need to put a few tubes around, or you put tubes up above the frame to just augment and help boost the levels that are coming into the room. The wonderful thing about self-contained LED lamps in a tube configuration is you can hold them in your hand and you can move them around. You can push in and make an on-the-fly adjustment to cross-light and fill. We did hide a tube when we finally land in the big room to just help lift the boy as he scares his mother. And so the technology has come to a point where it's exceedingly easy to actually do very complex work very efficiently.